Sugar yung brown sugar.
Yes,
Hindi kasi tayo nag-white sugar eh.
Yeah, it is white sugar,
It's-
but
it's,
it's kind of caramelized.
That's a strawberry apple.
Yes,
Ay,
strawberry.
Oo.
That's what they call strawberry apple. That's
Kaya pala brown to.
Brown.
Itong apple mo. Tanghulo apple.
Okay, to bukas, do not burn the sugar.
May white sugar naman niya pala dyan. Kalimutan mo. Ay, tumulo na.
The muscat was apple ko.
Ha?
That the muscat was the apple ko. So it's like colors and apple. Nagkasulog sa apple.
Ang tola. Salamat sa nagbigay ng strawberry apple. Gawin namin tanghulo.